I'm Bernard, a professional certified coach, and I work at the intersection of leadership, business, and self development. My philosophy is that leadership begins with self awareness, self leadership. Before coaching full time, I spent a number of years in the South African private higher education sector working at a senior level. My corporate experience and coupled with my early entrepreneurial background allowed me the opportunity to understand organizational complexities, the complexities of performance, of responsibility, of targets. I understand these because I've lived them. Today, I work with a host of multinational organizations across the country. My coaching approach is anchored in developing self awareness as the foundation of self leadership, and from there, leadership. As an accredited Enneagram practitioner, I incorporate the Enneagram, elements of logotherapy, and elements of time to think in my coaching practice. And this allows for that shift in behavior. My coaching style is solutions focused and practical. I don't believe that leadership needs to be complicated. It needs to be intentional. Strategy matters, systems matters, but self-awareness changes everything. Alongside my coaching, I also do workshops and facilitate workshops in leadership, management, in development practices. I also get the opportunity to do some coaching for Boys to Men Africa, where we coach and mentor young men across the African continent, where we focus on building the leadership capacity and capabilities across the African continent. If you're looking for a coaching partner who works in leadership as well as self development, I'd really welcome a conversation between the two of us. To anchor my philosophy, I believe that your leadership and your leadership style will never exceed the quality of your self awareness.